Are you ready for 2011? We're really thankful for all the crowds that have come down here tonight so that we can celebrate Manchester going into the new year. And we're really pleased to see so many great kids from Manchester come down as well. So a big thank you to all of them. We're going to do the countdown from 10 in a few seconds. Say hello to our fantastic Chief Constable who's come down tonight, Chief Constable Peter Fry. He's in the crowd. Say thank you for him coming down with the police. Right, we've got a young man here, Connor Carney, and he's going to count down from 10 down to 1. He's been practicing all day, so be patient. Are you all ready for the new year?